Hi everyone, namaste and welcome again. So let's start with book reading part. A man whose mind is filled with fear not only destroys his own chances of intelligent action, but he transmits these destructive vibrations to the minds of all who come into contact with him and destroys also their chances. Even a dog or a horse knows when its master lacks courage. Moreover, a dog or a horse will pick up the vibrations of the fear thrown off by its master and behave accordingly. Lower down the line of the intelligence in the animal kingdom, one finds this same capacity to pick up the vibration of fear. A honeybee immediately senses fear in the mind of a person. For reasons unknown, a bee will sting the person whose mind is releasing vibrations of fear much more readily than it will molest the person whose mind registers no fear. The vibrations of fear pass from one mind to another just as quickly and as surely as the sound of the human voice passes from the broadcasting station to the receiving set of a radio and by the self same medium. Mental telepathy is a reality. Thoughts pass from one mind to another voluntarily, whether or not this fact is recognized by either the person releasing the thoughts or the person who pick up those thoughts. The person who gives expression by word of mouth to negative or destructive thoughts is practically certain to experience the results of those words in the form of a destructive kickback. The release of destructive thoughts impulses alone without the aid of words produces as a kickback in more ways than one. First of all, and perhaps most important to be remembered, the person who releases thoughts of a destructive nature must suffer damage through the breaking down of the faculty of creative imagination. Secondly, the presence in the mind of any destructive emotion develops a negative personality which repels people and often converts them into antagonists. The third source of damage to the person who entertains or releases negative thoughts lies in the significant fact these thought impulses are not only damaging to others, but they embed themselves in the subconscious mind of the person releasing them and there become a part of his character. Ocean. सो सारा खेल हमारी थॉट्स का ही है जिसकी थॉट्स नेगेटिव हैं ये इम्पैक्ट सिर्फ उसके ऊपर ही नहीं जो भी उसके कांटेक्ट में आते हैं लोग उनके ऊपर भी होता है वाइजली चूज द पर्सन जिसके नज़दीक भी आप रहना चाहते हो या जिसके साथ आप रह रहे हो अभी